Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to learn about two words that might sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, they are easy peasy. First up, we have hyperbole. Hyperbole. Now, don't let the fancy name scare you. Hyperbole is just a way of using exaggeration to make a point. It's like when you say, I have been waiting for ages when it's only been a few minutes. Or, after a long day when you say, I am so tired I could sleep for 100 years. Obviously, you're not going to sleep for a century. Not everyone is Sleeping Beauty. But it helps to emphasize just how tired you are. Another example would be when someone says, I am so hungry, I could eat a horse. That's hyperbole. It's a figure of speech that uses exaggeration to make a point. Now, obviously nobody can really eat a horse, and we don't recommend you try. But by saying, I could eat a horse, the speaker is emphasizing just how hungry they are. So that's hyperbole for you. Here is a sentence example. Her description of the party as the most amazing event in history was a bit of hyperbole. And now, on to our second word, volition. Volition. This word might sound like a fancy medical term, but it's really just a way of saying willpower. Volition is the power or ability to make a choice. For example, when you decide to get out of bed in the morning, that's an act of volition. Or when you decide to go for a run, even though you don't feel like it, you're choosing to get up and start your day. Or like when you're climbing a mountain, each step you take requires your volition, your choice to keep going. And when you reach the summit, you feel the sense of accomplishment that comes from using your volition to achieve your goal. Here is a sentence example. His decision to climb Mount Everest was driven by his volition to achieve his lifelong dream. So, there you have it. Hyperbole and volition. Two words that are easy to use but add a lot of punch to your language. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.